Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about files different than the ones I was talking about before. And again, still not the files for your computer and not the files for your filing cabinet. I'm talking about files for your fingernails. Now, some of you go, why do I need to get files for my fingernail? I'm not a woman. I'm not gonna... Guys, get a life. All right. Yeah. Talked about fingernail clippers, and you have a snag one. Even if you are just doing normal, maintenance on your fingernails, and when you're done clipping, you ever feel it's kind of rough? Well, some of these you get has a built-in fingernail file for touching up, knocking off the rough spots. These are okay. Even the bigger ones for your toenails come. The good ones come with a fingernail file on the end here. But you check with your wife. What does she have? She has emery boards, or she has the really nice files like my mother-in-law gave me. One of these that have the embedded diamond bits in it. She gave me this over 25 years ago. This is absolutely fantastic. 25 years old, and it still works really quick, really great. And it's, just really nice. It's, feels like an emery board, but it's diamond embedded, and it works great for cleaning up the fingernails, making everything nice and smooth. And so this type, guys, I'm going to recommend something specifically. One of these metal ones with the diamonds just embedded on it, that's well worth the money. All right, so there you have it. Nice, quick, and dirty. To get clean, that is, on fingernail files. All right, so before I take off, don't forget to check out my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound. Put the link for it right up here. I'll put the link for the Prepping for Beginners and Prepping in Private playlists over here. And I'm going to be adding some more videos to both of those here shortly, if I haven't already. All right? Take care. See you around. And remember, only you can prep for yourself.